Hey guys, welcome back to CloudRaga. So in previous video we talked about function interface and we saw multiple examples on this. In this video we will see some more application on it, like more real-time thing scenario. So let's suppose we have a student class, okay, and this has name like regular stuffs and one field is marks. Okay, so this class is good. Now the idea is you have to print name, marks and grades. So where is that grade? So for that we have a requirement. It says you have these two fields with you, like student has name and marks. Next you have to think and generate grades as per your logic. Okay, you have to write a logic for grades. So logic will be simple. If that marks is greater than or equals to 90, okay, if it is greater than or equals to 90, so it will be grade A, okay, then A. Else if, just copy the statement, else if it is greater than or let's say greater than or equals to 80, so it's going to be um, on B. Else if it's greater than 70, it's going to be C. If it is 60, call this D. After that, okay, let's create some numbers. Let's say 50, it's D, and if it is greater than or equals to 40, it will count in a E grade. That's my logic. Okay, so we have to write some conditions and accordingly generate these grades. So there comes this apply thing. See what we are doing here. We are trying to supply some numerics, and what we are expecting some string or a character. We will return string, by the way. So input will be marks here, which has some integer values, and return type would be string type. So in next video we will see how to create this logic in apply, and then we will call that apply from our logic, because this is the thing we have to generate output. So even if you have to simplify it, so in input section we talk about input here, it's going to be the whole student object. Then it process, or we can just say some processing happens here, some operation happens here, and then we get output. What output will have? It will have name, marks and that grade. Right, so this is the idea, and we will get this grade from apply function. So let's see next video how to create that and try to understand how to apply function interface. Thanks for watching this video guys. Let's meet in the next video by fulfilling these requirements. Bye bye.